Hi, Robbie Balenger here to share with you one of NuCalm's most powerful keys to success, NuCalm Rescue. Recovery is important for all of us, and the harder we push, the more recovery we need to perform at our best. Rescue provides the deepest, most powerful cellular recovery and restoration. I use it daily and sometimes twice, especially when I'm pushing hard. If I have a poor night's sleep, I will use Rescue 50 or 70 in the morning to restore me and ensure that I have great energy for the day. On a typical day, I use Rescue in the afternoon to restore and energize. And always after a long run, I use Rescue almost immediately to help my body heal and recover. The rescue journey is an experience, meaning you want it to be comfortable. You want to wear an eye mask, and you want to use premium headphones to maximize your experience. With rescue being the core and most powerful aspect of NuCalm, there is an additional aspect that you can add, the biosignaling discs. These discs you place on your left wrist, and they send a message to your brain to start releasing GABA. This can help to increase the effectiveness of this channel. I use the patches when I'm extremely exhausted or dealing with a very highly stressful situation in my life. If you're feeling as though you might be in that situation, go ahead and order some of the discs. You definitely won't regret it.